And brakes only, brakes only, brakes only. Cheat high with the brake, steady, acquire, on, acquire, on. That's the only time you bring it towards you. The rest of the time it's power, kill, power, kill, power, clear space, kill. Back to brakes only, brakes only, brakes only, distance, you get the whole thing. Probably another same length again. Give you the wing height. Okay, check gear space. Flat out helps lengthen the arms. Acquire, acquire, and settle. Take your time. Acquiring the same place. Up, check, correct one, split stance, fine, parked. Transferring to the less safe hand. So I'm bringing that over. You can see how it's messier, because there it works well for right-handed pilots. From there, transferring, checking up, and parked. Film from this side now. After the safety hand, and on with the webbing. Now we're going on to the lines. Looking for that tip to be pushed slightly in as you go round, staying square to the glider. Come with me. Once the tip is starting to be pushed and maybe even roll in, there, slide, first loop in, always double loop round, even with gloves. Swoop, wire, lines into the hand, swoop and slide, swoop and slide, swoop, swoop and slide, missed it, again, there, and you can lift it. Okay, just like that. Shut down.